How to fix Facebook Messenger app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bhimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix the Facebook Messenger application. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now what happens is that, let's say that you have just some kind of issues within the Messenger app. We will discuss some of the fixes on how you can fix that. The very first thing is that, let's say the Messenger app is not launching, or maybe it's having some kind of issues. I would recommend you to check your internet connection. If that is not the issue, just long press on the Messenger app icon over here and then just tap on this I button. Once you tap on the I button, it will take you to the app information page of Messenger. And what you want to do is, over here you simply want to go ahead and select storage. Once you select storage, clear the cache and clear the data as well. Once you clear the cache files and data of Messenger, what I would recommend you to do is open up your Google Play Store or your iOS App Store and then search for Messenger. And if you see an update button there next to the Messenger app, I would just recommend you to update the Messenger app to the latest version. What updating does is that it is going to fix any types of bugs or issues which you face within the Messenger application. And last but not the least, I would also just recommend you to go ahead and update your software. So go to your settings, go to software update, and just check if there are any types of updates available for your phone. Because if there is, I would also recommend you to update your firmware or your software version to the latest one. And hopefully one of these would have definitely solved the problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.